Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. Now I am going to explain you about the mechanical properties of polymers. Okay, the main mechanical properties of polymers are toughness, strength and elasticity. Toughness, strength, elasticity. So toughness can be measured by the effect of heat on polymer, basing on the effect of heat on polymer. Okay, basing on the effect of heat on polymer, the toughness of the polymer is explained. The impact strength is measured as toughness. So the impact strength is measured as toughness. So in general, at room temperature, all polymers are solids. They exist in rubbery state or viscoelastic state. Okay, so in general, all the polymers at room temperature are solids. As the temperature increases, the polymer melts, and that is noted as a melting point of the polymer. Because of initial stage they are solids, so after that, after the temperature increases, it melts and we note it as the melting point of the polymer. Then as the temperature further increases, the polymer decomposes to monomers. As the temperature further increases, the polymer decomposes to monomers, right? But the polymer cannot be converted as a vapor state. Okay, if you decrease the temperature at below 0 degrees, the polymer become as hard, brittle and glassy. Okay, that is noted as Tg, that is called toughness. The impact strength is called toughness. At below glass transition temperature, the polymers break with a brittle fracture and they become tougher. Okay, the size of the crystalline structure also determines the toughness. The size of the crystalline structure also determines the toughness. A small spherical crystalline mass increases the toughness property. Okay, so and then strength. So what is the strength of a polymer and how it depends? So the strength of the polymer mainly depends on the chain structure. So basing on the linkage of chain, basing on chain structure, the polymers are mainly classified as linear polymers, branched polymers and cross-linked polymers. Okay, that cross links control the elastomeric properties or toughness property, crystalline property. Okay, these all are controlled by the cross links or branched chains containing polymer. So as the strength of the polymer increases with increase in molecular weight. Okay, so as the molecular weight is less, the strength of the polymer is less. The intermolecular force of attraction, presence of polar groups, so and chain length, these all increase the strength of the polymer, right? So the presence of polar groups increase the strength of the polymer. The chain length also increases the strength of the polymer. So the strength of the polymer is mainly determined by stress strain test. Which test? Stress strain test. So here you can see the graph. On x-axis strain and on y-axis stress. Okay, so as stress increases, you can observe the strain. In case of hard and brittle polymer, so the graph is like that. In case of rigid plastic, okay, in case of fiber material, and in case of rubbery polymers, in case of rubbery materials. So these are the stress strain test graph. Okay, so how the polymer behaves basing on the stress and how it's strained when you apply some stress. Okay, so and then elasticity. So elasticity means it is a property of recovering material or regain the shape after it has been greatly deformed. Okay, so elastomer has a property of tendency to regain its original shape after it has been greatly deformed. Okay, so recovering of original shape. So in general, have a elastomers have a property of regaining its original shape. Okay, natural rubber possesses high elasticity due to coiled helix structure of polyisoprene. So these are the main mechanical properties of polymers. Okay, the first one is toughness, and then strength, and then elasticity. So you can write the notes also. Toughness means the impact strength. Okay, mainly the impact strength is measured as toughness. And then the strength means load bearing capacity. Okay, so strength means load bearing capacity that is dependent on the chain structure. The polymer strength is mainly dependent on chain structure and the presence of polar groups, right? Because basing on the forces of attraction, basing on the intermolecular force of attraction, there may be plastics, rubbers, fibers. Okay, plastics, basing on stress strain test, so plastics, fibers and rubbery materials. And then elasticity is a property of material to regain its original shape. Okay students, thank you.